Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is again utilizing the viewboard. Sometimes it's very touchy, double clicking on the viewboard here. So one thing I like to do is pin icons of your common apps here to the taskbar. As you can see, we have the traditional file explorer, and I've got pinned down here is my Chrome browser. It's just a one click and it pops up instead of trying to double click up here, which again, sometimes is just a little touchy. So how do we pin your most common, say, used software to the taskbar? So what you're gonna do is a long pause. Press, so I'm gonna take my whiteboard software and move it down here. You're gonna just take your finger, do a long pause to bring up the right click option. Click pin to taskbar. It's now down there. Here I use my graphing calculator a lot, so I'm gonna bring it down here, pin to taskbar. And anything that you use, again, very often, I bring those down here because then it makes it just say one click and then it pops up. Now this software takes a little bit of time to say load, but I don't have to try to say get the right double click option out there. And then as you are moving around with things, it just makes for a very, again, smooth user interface for you as you're walking around talking about things as well. So pinning to taskbar, very nice on your commonly used. You only gotta do it one time and it's then saved in there until maybe there's a software update. And what I've noticed is with software updates, sometimes these icons, if you see them just completely change from what they normally do, means it's not gonna work anymore. So what you just need to do is come back, unpin from taskbar, and what's gonna do then is go away because there's an update out there. Then just go back to the original icon and then just click pin to taskbar. That's only when you need to do it, like I said, when there's an update out there and it doesn't work anymore. Again, unpin, and then hold the right click down, pin to taskbar, and you should be ready to rock and roll.